Hello friends, and welcome to today's special news update. In India, petrol prices are rising every single day, traffic congestion in cities is getting worse, and air pollution is becoming more dangerous. Amid all these problems, a desi and affordable solution is about to arrive. Yes, you heard that right, Patanjali is now preparing to take a big step into the electric mobility sector. According to sources, in the year 2026, Patanjali may launch its very own electric bicycle. This electric cycle is being designed especially for students, office commuters, and everyday riders who travel daily for work or study. Friends, petrol prices in many Indian cities have already crossed 100 rupees per liter. In such a situation, riding a bike or scooter every day is becoming difficult for the common man. Patanjali's electric bicycle could become the perfect solution to this problem. This will not be a luxury vehicle, instead, it will be a ride for the common people. The goal is very clear. Low cost, no petrol, minimal maintenance, and protection of the environment. Now let's talk about the expected features. According to reports, Patanjali's electric cycle may come with a lithium-ion battery, a range of 60 to 100 kilometers on a single charge, charging through a normal household socket, both pedal and electric assist modes, and a strong yet lightweight frame. This bicycle will be designed keeping Indian roads and Indian conditions in mind. Now comes the biggest question, the price. According to sources, the expected price of Patanjali's electric bicycle could be between 25,000 and 40,000 rupees. If this happens, it could become one of the most affordable electric bicycles in India. At this price point, students, delivery riders, small business owners, and people from rural areas will be able to buy it easily. Friends, this bicycle will not only be good for your pocket, but also extremely beneficial for the environment. It will be a zero-emission vehicle, helping reduce air pollution. If millions of people switch from petrol vehicles to electric bicycles, the air in our country can truly become cleaner. Patanjali's initiative also strengthens the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and the Make in India campaign. There is a strong possibility that this electric cycle will be manufactured in India itself, creating jobs and supporting local industries. So friends, Patanjali's electric bicycle is not just a new product. It could represent a new way of thinking and a big change. Now the big question remains. When will it be launched? And what will be the final price? What do you think about this news? Would you like to buy Patanjali's electric bicycle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, India Sparkles.